like 3 position. So later when you make a factor, make a 3 diagram, it will be like having 3 branches. So because not enough space, I show the 3 diagram in a different page. This is the 3 diagram because 3 digits, so we can make for the first branch for the first digit, and then this is for the second digit, and then this is for the third digit. After that, you can combine what number it will be. So it will be 111, 112, 113, 121, 122, and so on. So later when we check in total, there will be like 27 possibility outcomes. So the outcomes will be 27. Why is it 27? Because there are 3 numbers and they are going to be used for 3 times. So to find the total number of outcomes, you can do 3 to the power of 3, which is equals to 27. For those who already done the homework, already did it, you can check the answer. If there's anything that is different from your answer, you can tell me which number that you want me to discuss it more. So we have after we find the 3 diagrams, we have to find the probability. For the question B1, the number 131. So from this list, we have to find how many 131 that is came out. So this is the 131, only comes 131 at the 7th, on the 7th branch. So this is the 131, only 1. So the probability it will be 1 out of 27. For the question B, an even number. If even, you have to check the last digit. The last digit have to be even. So the even number, there are 9 numbers. The 112, 100, oh sorry, the color is too, wait. So the numbers, it will be 112, 100, oh, sorry, 122, and then after that 132, 212, 222, after that 232, 312, 322, 332. When I check in total, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 outcomes. So 9 out of 27, which is equals to 1 per 3. For the question B, multiple of 11. Multiple of 11, it means the number is divisible by 11. Which number that is divisible by 11? The numbers are 121. After 121, what number else that can be divided by 11? 132. This is also 11 times 12 will be equals to 132. And then 100 is 223. 21 times 11, it will be equals to 231. There are 3 numbers that is multiple of 11. 3 out of 27, it will be equals to 1 per 9. For the question B, find the multiple of 3. If multiple of 3, to check it, you just need to find the total number. So like 112. 1 plus 1 plus 2, it's 4. 4 is not divisible by 3, so it's not a multiple of 3. You have to check which number, like the total digit, when you plus all of them, it will be multiple of 3, so it will be multiple of 3 also. Like 111, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. 3 is multiple of 3 also, so 111 is multiple of 3. And then 123, 132, after that, what number else? 213, 222, 231. After that, which number else that is divisible by 3? 312, and then 321. After that, which number? Yeah, 333. So in total, there will be 9 numbers. 9 out of 27, it will be 1 per 3. And then for the question 5, a multiple of 2 or multiple of 3. So we take the number that is multiple of 2 and also multiple of 3. Multiple of 2 already give a color with the light blue, and then multiple of 3 it will be red color. So we count how many numbers that get the light blue or red color. We counted how many numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait, 18, supposed to be 18. So yeah, when we simplify it, it will be 2 out of 3. 18 per 27, which is equals to 2 by 3. Is there anyone having any question or getting confused? Is there anyone who get confused? Oopsies, wait. It's supposed to be, sorry. It's supposed to be 5 out of, sorry, I make a typo. So when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's supposed to be 15 out of 27. Sorry. So 15 out of 27, we can simplify it into 5 per 9. Okay. Is there anyone who get confused so far? Is there anyone who get confused? Hello? Is there anyone who get confused? No? No one get confused? Because only 6 students who submit the homework. I don't know it is the homework that is difficult, or is it just you who doesn't want to try it? So is there any number that is like from the question 1, is there any letter that I need to discuss it more? The question A or question B1, B2, B3, B4, B5? Is everything already clear? Is there anyone having any question? No question? For sure, you have no question. Please let me know whenever you have any question. Okay. I will move to the question 2. For the question 2, wait. Yeah, this is the steps. Later you can read it by yourself. For the question 1, later I will be sharing the PowerPoint through the Google Classroom. For the question 2, a cat has 4 kittens. Draw a tree diagram to show all the possible combination of male and females. So P for males and then F for female. It's supposed to be like an F. P for, yeah. So after, we have to find the probability of getting males and also probability of getting female is the same. So like both of them having equal probability, a half and a half. So we will make a tree diagram first. M for male, F for female. Because there are 4 kittens, so there will be 4 branches. So this is for the first kitten. Wait, where is it? This is for the first one. This is for the first. And then this is for the second. And also the third and the fourth. I just write the number 1, yeah. Not enough. So this is for the first one. This is for the first kitten. This is for the second. This is for the third. And the last one for the fourth one. Not enough space. Because there are 4 kittens. So we can open brains. Male, female, and so on. So this is the probability. It will be all of them are males, or 3 males, 1 females, or male, female, male, something like that. So you have to make a tree diagram first before you answer the question. For the question 2A, all female. So how many is it that having all of them are female? How many the outcome that's all of them are female? Hello?
1.
1. Out of the total outcomes, how many? What is the total outcomes?
16.
Yeah, so 1 out of 16. For the question 2, it says 2 females and 2 males. As long the order doesn't matter, as long as 2 males and also 2 females, we can take it. How many are there with having 2 males and 2 female?
3.
Is it only 3?
Is it 5, teacher?
So let us check. Male. So there are two letter of M. There are two letter of F. The order doesn't matter. So this is M M F F. Okay. M F M F. Yeah. Okay. M F F M. Yeah. Also okay. Two letter M and two letter F. This is two letter F, two letter M. This is two letter F, two letter M. So how many are they
Here,
in
that one
total?
have
Yeah.
female, male, male, female. There's
Sorry.
6, teacher. One more.
6. Which one else that maybe I'm
At the middle. At the middle.
middle?
F,
Wait,
M, M, F.
wait.
Go down.
Is it?
Above the
Oh yeah,
second
yeah.
row.
Okay, this one, yeah. Okay, so
Yes.
6 out of 16. We can simplify it become 3 out of 8.
It.
Is there anyone having any question? Okay, for the question 3 is asking about at least one female. At least one female. So the female can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Because it says at least. So how many are they?
15.
Yeah, so it will be 15 out of 16. Is there anyone who get confused to get 15? So this, as long as there is a letter F, we take out. There will be 15 because it says at least one female. So at least there is a one letter of F on the combination. So it will be 15 out of 16. For the question 4, in here, more females than males. More females than males. So how many are they?
4.
This is more females. And then this is also more females. This is more females. This is more
5.
females. This is more females. Is there anything else that I miss maybe?
No. 5, 5, 5.
Yeah, more females. So it means the letter F have to be more than the letter M.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 5 out of 16. Is there anyone who get confused so far? Is there anyone? No? No one have no confusion? Okay. If no one have no confusion, I will move to the question 3. Yeah, for the question 3, a netball team plays 3 games. In each game, it can be win, lose, or draw. We have to make a 3 diagram that show the win, lose, and draw. So later I will show the W for the win, L for the lose, and then D for draw. So because there are 3 games, so later it will be 3 branches. So this is for the first game, this is for the first, this is for the second, and the last one is for the third. If later there will be like 4 games, so you have to open another branch on each letter W, L, and D, something like that. So now when we already make the factor 3, the 3 diagram, so because there is win, lose, and draw, so whenever we make another branch, we will have to write it as WLD and then open another branch WLD and so on. So now, okay, finally Via is joining my, okay, thank you. So now for the question 3, we have to find win all the 3 games. How many that is win for all of the 3 games? What is the probability? Hello? What is the probability on the question 3B1?
1.
1. Okay, 1 out of how many?
27.
Okay, 1 out of 27 for the first question. For the B, win more times than loses. So what is the probability? So the win have to be bigger than the lose.
10.
How did you get 10? Yes, it is 10. So the WWL, which one else? This is. So let us try to label. So later it will be easier. The answer correct 10.
Oh,
Can you
the
help me?
WWW. That one
Wait,
also.
wait. Let me pick another color. So all the WW, and then after that, which one, Erika? All the,
WWL.
okay. After that,
WWD.
okay,
WLW.
okay,
WDW.
okay,
LWW.
okay.
DW.
Yeah,
W.
DWW. And then what
Can
else?
I
Yes.
already can
Yeah,
Already.
I saw that Via is joining my online class. I can see.
thank
Okay,
you,
which
teacher.
do not leave my class before it's end up. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Which one else? Anyone knows? It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's only 7. You said it is 10. Which one else that we haven't picked? It have more chance to win rather than lose. Have higher chance to win rather than lose. Yeah, so it can be WW win. It can be W win W draw W sorry draw win draw, and then this is also draw win. So in total it will be equals to 10. Is it already 10? Yeah. So for the B, the answer will be 10 out of 27 because it says wins more times than loses. So it means having a uh, higher chance to win rather than lose. Is there anyone who get confused? No? No one say anything, so I guess none of you having any difficulties. Please let me know whenever you have any difficulties because it's only 6 out of 21 who submit the homework. I don't know where are another 15 students. Please, if you have any question, let me know. Do not stay quiet. For the question B3, loses at least one match. So, okay, Nico, go back soon. No, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Yubin, are you joining my class? Hello? Yubin, are you moving to 10P? He's gone now. Okay, then. Okay, now let us continue for the question B3. Loses at least one match. So there will be at least one letter L on the game. So how many are they? Jasmine, stop playing TikTok. Help me to answer the question. Hey, come on, Jasmine. Help me to answer for the question 3B3. Loses at least one match. How many is the probability? Hello? How many is the probability? Anyone
Teacher, what
knows?
is the question? What is the question, teacher?
Calculate the probability that the team loses at least one match. How many it will be? Anyone knows how many it will be?
Is it 16?
No,
I
not
don't know.
16. Count it properly again. Try to count it again. I think there are some numbers that you miscounted. Anyone knows how many it will be for the probability?
17.
Are you sure? It's supposed to be higher, I think.
For real?
Yeah.
I already counted the one that have L.
Check it again. Check it again. At least one L. Because it says loses at least one match. Yeah. How many it will be? How many it will be? It's bigger than 17. Anyone else know? What is the answer? Yeah, the answer is 19 out of 27. Is there anyone who get confused to get 19? No one asked me any question. Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay. If no one asks me any question, for the question B4, the probability either draws or loses all the three games. What is the probability? It can be loses or draw. Anyone maybe want to help me to tell? Okay. Okay, Marvel. Anyone want to help me to tell?
What's the question again, teacher?
Yeah, the question is calculate the probability that the team either draws or loses all the three games. So it can be draws or it can be loses all the three games. Sorry, how many?
Hold on. Loses or draws all three games.
Yeah, yeah. It can be draws or loses all three games.
6 out of 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. No, too much. Too much. 2 out of 3 is too much. Okay. So maybe we can find which one that it can be all of them draw or it can be lose. Which one? What condition that I can that can determine if the games is draw or lose? Jasmine. Mm. So for the very if all of so the very first one there are three W, it means it will be winning, and then if uh win, lose, draw, how do I count it? Is it will be win, is it will be draw, or it will not be anything? So we can take this. This is of course will be taken. The three, all of them are draw, and then all of them are lose already taken. So now the question is either draws or lose for all the three games. So hello. Wait. Hello, who is Arnold Poya? Can I know who is the correct Arnold Po or Po this one? Hello. Can you tell me what is your real name? Arnold. Hello. Do you have any new students named Arnold? Yeah, Arnold Poo. Are you a new student? He is leaving. Okay. So how many is the probability? Why so many students are like making a fake account to join the class? Yeah. Okay. Okay, which one else? If win, lose, and draw, what is the final condition? It can I determine it is as win or is it as lose or it can be nothing or anything? Win, lose, draw. What is the final condition if win, lose, and draw? Hello? Win and lose, it will be making it draw. So draw and draw, it will be draw. So I can take this out. And then this one. And then this one. And then this. And then this. And then this. So in total, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total, it will be 8 out of 27. Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone who get confused? Because winning and loses it when we combine all together, we count it as draw. So draw mixed with draw, it will be counted as draw. If all of them lose, yeah, we can say that it will be losing all the 3 games. Is there anyone having any question so far? Is there anyone having any question? No? Okay. If you have no question, I will move to the question 4. So for the question 4 in here, we will have like a spinner. There will be a color white, dark blue, purple, and also the light blue. Now we have to find the probability of getting, and the spinner will be spun twice because it is spun twice. So later we will have like the tree diagram. It will be open branch only twice. So this is for the first, and this is also for the second. Wait, where is the first one? This is for the first. This is for the first spinner. And then for another branch in here, it will be for the second spinner. Because it's spun twice, so yeah, the tree diagram, it will be looking like this. DB for the dark blue, W for white, LB for the light blue, P for purple. For the question for for B1, we have to find the probability of getting 2 dark blues. So what is the probability of getting 2 dark blue?
1.
Out of how many in total?
16.
Yeah, 1 out of 16. For the question 2, 2 blues either shade. So it can be like dark blue or light blue. It doesn't matter as long as both of them are blue. So how many is the probability of getting 2 blues?
Two.
Is it only 2? Dark
Four.
blue and dark blue, we count it as blue, 2 blues. Light blue and dark blue. And then, yeah, this is dark blue and also the light blue. Light blue and also the light blue. So in total, there are 4. So 4 out of in total 16. We can simplify it, make it 1 out of 4. Is there anyone having question? Or maybe I go too fast? No? Okay, if no one asks me anything, for the B3, a pink and a white in any order. It can be pink and white combined. So what is the probability of getting pink and white? Oh, P for pink, sorry.
4.
Sorry, how many?
4.
4, pink and white. Are you sure it will be 4? Pink
2.
and white. So it can be pink, white, PW, and also WP. Only 2 out of in total how many? 16. We can simplify it, become 1 out of 8. Is there anyone having any questions so far? Is there anyone? No? Okay. If you have no question, I will move to the next question. Still going to use the 3 diagrams. So in here, I have a numbers. In here, a bag contains 6 tickets. The tickets already have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jasmine. So now there is a box contains a ticket. The ticket's having a number 1 until 6. And then there is a students. When the students play, they have to draw the ticket from the back. And then if they get the number less than 3, they will be having a chocolate. Now if they play the game twice, they will be playing the game twice, and after they take the card, they will be putting it back the card because it says returning the tickets. So after I take out, I check the numbers. After that, I put into each place, and then I take another card again. Oh my god, I think I need to lock my meeting. Sorry. There are so many people that joining my class. Oh, he is already gone. There is Atta before, I don't know who is Atta. Okay, now I will just continue. So there will be numbers in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if they get the number less than 3, they will eat chocolate. Can you tell me what is the probability of getting chocolate? Getting a card that will be having a chocolate. That's what I mean.
2,
Anyone? 2 out of how many?
6,
Yeah, so this is 2 out of 6 for getting a chocolate. And then for not getting a chocolate, what is the probability?
4,
Yeah, 4
4
out.
out of 6.
Yeah, is there anyone get confused? Is there
No.
anyone get confused? No? Yeah, if you have no confusion, just keep in your mind first. After this, we are going to make a tree diagram using this. So if getting a chocolate, the ratio, the probability, it will be 2 out of 6. Or I can simplify it, become 1 per 3. Not getting a chocolate, it will be 2 out of 3. Okay, keep it in your mind first. Later, I will just show you the tree diagram before we answer the question A, B, C, D. Okay, so now, wait, sorry. Yeah, so in here, if not using a tree diagram, I'm just using the two-dimensional grid in here. I just use the two-dimensional grid first. So this is already make the number because there are two games. If we do something twice, you can pick it can be a two-dimensional grid or the tree diagram. If later you tick something 3 times or 4 times, you cannot use the two-dimensional grid. You have to use the tree diagram. So if two-dimensional grid in here, the number 1 until 6, 1 until 6 also for the second game. So in here, the one that I put cross is the combination of number that they will be having chocolate. Because for the question A, the question said the student eats 2 chocolate. So it means on the first game, they take the number less than 2. On the second game, they also take the number less than 2. So that's why in here below number 1, 2, yeah, you can use either one if it is only taking twice. If only you take something twice, or maybe you spin the spinner twice, or maybe you toss the dice twice, toss the coin twice, you can pick either one. You can use the grid or you can use the tree diagram. But later, if you have any question, I want to take the card 3 times, you cannot use the grid anymore. You have to use the tree diagram. If maybe I toss 3 coin, yeah, you have to use the tree diagram. Like the cats have a kitten, maybe have 5 kittens, so you cannot use the grid. You have to use the tree diagram. If the cat have 2 kittens, you can pick the grid or the tree diagram. So in here, it 2 chocolate, because it 2 chocolate, so it means we have to focus on the first game. The ratio for the first game is 2/6. On the second game also it will be 2/6, because this is the first game I will eat chocolate, and the second game I will eat chocolate, because the connection is and, so I need to multiply 2/6 times 2/6. So I can simplify become 1 per 9. Is there anyone having any question? Or maybe I explain it in a confusing way or anything? Is there anyone having any question?
No.
No? Okay. If no one have no question, I will move to the next question. The students eats no chocolate. If it's no chocolate, so I have to focus at the number that is 3 or bigger, because if less than 2 will having a chocolate, but if 3, 4, 5 will not having a chocolate. And then the question, it's no chocolate. So it means on the first game, he did not get any card that will be getting a chocolate. Via stop. And then for the second game also, the students will not have getting a number that is less than 2. So that's why the probability it will be 4 out of 6 times 4 out of 6. And then we can simplify it become 4 out of 9 for the probability of it's no chocolate. Is there anyone having any question, or maybe I talk too fast?
No question.
Okay, if you have no question, I will move to the question 3. End up eating exactly one chocolate. If it say exactly one chocolate, so it can be at the first taking. So the first card I will be having a card with that will be getting a chocolate. For the second one, no chocolate, or the first one no chocolate, the second one have chocolate. There are two possibilities, right? So having a chocolate, so in here that's why I do 2 per 6, because having a chocolate with no chocolate, or no chocolate with chocolate, that's why it will be 2 per 6 times 4 per 6 plus 4 per 6 times 2 per 6. If we connect the sentence with letter or we do addition, where if we connect the sentence with letter N, with the word and, we have to do multiply. So the answer it will be 4 per 9. Is there anyone who get confused, or everything is clear?
Clear.
Okay. If everything is clear, I will continue to the question D. For the question D, the students eat at least one chocolate. So it means at the very first one, the students get chocolate, or the second one no chocolate, or maybe at the first have a chocolate, and then the second one chocolate, or maybe the first one no chocolate, the second one chocolate. So in here, if we make a grid, we can just count how many sign that we already put letter X in here. There will be like 1, 2, 3, 16 plus 16, wait, 1, 8 plus 8, it will be, sorry, 10 plus 8, it will be 18. So it will be 18. Yeah, we just directly plus it and then count it. So the ratio it will be 5 per 9. Is there anyone having any difficulties or getting confused? We already have the probability of eating one chocolate at the question C, and also eat two chocolate at the question A. So we can just plus it become 5 per 9. Is there anyone having any question? I think
No.
yeah, if no one having any question, I think it's already time's up. Later I will be sharing the PowerPoint to you, so you can please go through it. Later I will display for solving this question using 3 diagrams. So tomorrow when when we have a discussion, you can ask me any question if you have any question. I think that's all for today's class. Good afternoon and thank you